Good morning team. This is regarding data visualization task that is allocated to you. So first, let me brief about the task. You will be given 3 different visualizations, and you will be allocated a data set based on which we have created these 3 visualizations. Just cross check what is the data set is what is data set is all about, and then you start working on this document. So if you check your email, you will be having a data set that is allocated. So just open it, and it explains what kind of relations, about what the data set is created and what kind of relations it contains. The first data set is all about heart disease. So for an example one, so this speaks about what are the reasons for which heart attacks happen. Okay, you just read a description that will be given in the data set. Then cross check your document. If you check this document, there will be each visualization will having certain labels for horizontal axis and vertical axis. You need to cross check that. Okay, so based on the data available, we will be establishing relationships, and we will be discussing about how each factor are influencing each other, every factor influencing each other. If you consider this graph, here we have taken age is mentioned here. Then cholesterol and thalach are 2 different things that we are evaluating in this graph. If you cross check between, so we explain what kind of relationship we are establishing at initial stage of the graph. So we start writing like in this graph, we are in this visualization, we are trying to establish relationship between age and cholesterol and age and thalach. So this clearly explains at which age there will be high cholesterol, or at which age there will be high thalach. Okay, then we start detailing that as age increases, the cholesterol increasing, and as age increasing, the thalach is also increasing. So then at between 53 and 61, the cholesterol is high and thalach is also high. In that way we explain. Okay, so we need to put some explanation, meaningful explanation for the graph that is provided. Here it is relationship between cholesterol and age. You can see that the highest like questions were given below the each graph. So here we try to establish relationship between cholesterol and age, and here we are trying to establish relationship between chest pain and age. Okay, so now we can see that this is all about a number of people having high cholesterol. Here we are having a number of people with high chest pain, like number of people are getting chest pain, at which age they are getting high chest pain. So we are supposed to understand that and write less than 100 words of explanation for each graph. Okay, please cross check your graphs, and please read description of the data set and what is the purpose of data set, and try to establish some kind of relation between variables and brief about it. So how we start it? We start what we are going to do in that graph. What is the purpose of the graph? Okay, so if you take this graph, we are trying to establish a relationship between age and chest pain. Okay, so the graph explains number of people getting chest pain based on their age. Got it? So that is how we need to explain. So help yourself. If you got any questions, please ask me. Try to finish a description of each graph in less than 100 words, and that's it about the task. Okay, thank you.